The flu is the #1 illness that comes to mind when thinking about back-to-school viruses. It can be tricky to avoid these illnesses, but there are ways to prevent them. Take a look.
The best recommendation to keep your child healthy is to stay up to date with immunizations. They're primarily given to kids entering kindergarten and 7th grade. To know exactly what immunizations are needed, ask your child's physician for their DH680 form. Staying up to date is essential.
If we don't have documentation from the parent on that 680 that they have had that, then they can't start school until they've had it. There are ways to, if they choose not to get it, there are ways that they can get documentation for that as well. But mostly we need to have documentation if you've had it. If you haven't, why not?
Immunizations are mostly covered by insurances. If you don't have insurance, you can become a part of the Vaccines for Children program, which provides free vaccines to children through age 19 whose families may not be able to afford them. But in school, there are a few things kids can do to stay healthy.
We always start the year talking about hand washing. The most important thing that one does to keep yourself healthy is keep your hands clean. So anytime you've touched anything or been around anything where you think your hands are dirty or you've been contaminated, be sure and wash them, certainly before meals or after using the restroom.
Also, sneeze or cough into your elbow rather than your hand, and don't share food. And of course, a little help from mom and dad can't hurt.
We ask that parents, if your student has any kind of health issues at all, please let us know. We don't have their medical record, we don't have anything like that, so all we really are asking of parents is to let us know what kind of health issues their student has.
Flu season hits early and later in the school year. Beginning in October, a new flu vaccine will be offered, and we'll have more on this new vaccine as flu season gets underway. And you can go to SNNTV.com to find out how and where you can find local cost-free immunization opportunities.